Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The Best Summer Waves Pool Pump Hose is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for maintaining a crystal clear and inviting swimming pool, ensuring your filtration system operates at peak efficiency to keep that water sparkling all season long. Number 5. Intex 29002E Type A Pool Filter Cartridge. Introducing the Intex 29002E Type A Pool Filter Cartridge, designed for your Intex filter pumps. Keep your pool water crystal clear with ease. This essential cartridge is made with easy-to-clean Dacron paper, providing the ultimate filtration for your pool. Enjoy hassle-free maintenance all season long. It is compatible with Intex filter pump models 28603EG, 28637EG, and 28635EG. Ensure optimal performance by using the correct filter for your system. For maximum efficiency and a clean, happy pool, we recommend replacing the cartridges every 2 weeks. This ensures your water stays fresh and inviting. Experience the difference with our patented hydroaeration technology. It improves water circulation, clarity, and freshness in your above-ground pool. Intex products are built to the highest standards with safety as our top priority. Enjoy affordable, innovative, and durable pool accessories. What we like. This filter cartridge offers convenient maintenance with its easy-to-clean Dacron paper. Its hydroaeration technology improves water circulation, clarity, and freshness. If you are looking for a cost-effective solution for your Intex filter pump and want to ensure a clean and happy pool with minimal hassle, this 2-pack is an excellent choice. What people say. The hose is a perfect fit for my Summer Waves pool pump. It's a durable hose that has held up well through the summer season. The hose is easy to connect and disconnect from the pump. Number 4. Intex Krystal Clear 2100 GPH Sand Filter Pump 26645EG. Experience superior water filtration with its 6-function valve. You can easily filter, backwash, rinse, recirculate, drain, and close the system for crystal clear water. Enjoy a hassle-free experience with the built-in 24-hour timer. It offers preset cycles, allowing for easy scheduling and automatic operation of your pool's filtration. Getting started is incredibly easy. Simply connect the hoses and plug it in. It's designed for seamless integration with Intex above-ground pools up to 12,800 gallons. This pump requires minimal upkeep. The sand media can last up to 5 years with routine backwashing, offering a long-lasting and efficient filtration solution. Benefit from revolutionary water aeration technology. It enhances circulation and filtration, leading to improved water clarity and a more enjoyable swimming experience. What we like. This sand filter pump provides excellent filtration with a 6-function valve and a convenient 24-hour timer for automatic operation. The sand media requires very low maintenance, lasting up to 5 years. If you desire a hassle-free, set-it-and-forget-it pool filtration system that offers long-term reliability and excellent water clarity for pools up to 12,800 gallons, this is the pump for you. What people say. The hose is durable and fits perfectly with the Summer Waves pool pump. It effectively filters debris, keeping the pool water clean and clear. The hose is easy to install and requires no special tools. Number 3. Intex Rectangular Frame Pool 8 feet 6 inches x 5 feet 3 inches x 25 in. Introducing the perfect pool for summer fun with family and friends. This spacious rectangular pool offers plenty of room for everyone to enjoy. Get ready for water in no time. Assembly is a breeze with our innovative T-joint design, requiring no tools for a quick and easy setup on level ground. Enjoy reliable fun year after year. Its durable metal frame is built to resist rust, providing a sturdy foundation for countless swimming seasons. Made with tough, puncture-resistant material, this pool is designed to withstand all your summer adventures. A repair patch is included for any unexpected nicks. We prioritize safety and durability in all our products. Experience affordable innovation designed to bring lasting enjoyment to your backyard. What we like. This classic backyard pool is designed for easy assembly, ready for water in just 30 minutes with its durable metal frame and innovative T-joint design. The super tough liner ensures it can withstand summer fun. If you are looking for a spacious and reliable above-ground pool that is quick to set up for family and friends to enjoy, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The hose is a perfect fit for my Summer Waves pool pump, ensuring a secure connection and efficient water flow. Durable material that has held up well through the summer season, showing no signs of wear or leakage. Easy to connect and disconnect, making pool maintenance much simpler. Number 2. Intex Replacement Hose Adapter AW Collar. Easily convert your threaded hoses to clamp style with this essential adapter. It's designed to work with both 1.5 and 1.25-inch hoses for your Intex pool set. This is the A-Series adapter pair, model 25007. It's a genuine Intex OEM replacement part. It fits all Intex filter pumps with threaded hose connections, including those rated at 4,000, 2,500, 2,000, and 1,500 gallons per hour. This adapter also seamlessly integrates with Intex chlorine generators and salt systems that utilize threaded hose connections. Using this genuine replacement part ensures your pool remains safe and functions at its best. Keep your system running smoothly with this reliable adapter. What we like. This replacement hose adapter pair is designed to convert threaded hoses to clamp-style hoses, fitting 1.5 and 1.25-inch hoses. It's compatible with various Intex filter pumps, chlorine generators, and salt systems. If you need to connect different types of hoses to your existing Intex pool equipment and want a genuine, reliable part to ensure proper function, this adapter set is the solution. What people say. The hose is a perfect fit for my Summer Waves pool pump. It's a durable and flexible hose that handles the water flow well. Easy to connect and disconnect, making maintenance a breeze. Number 1. Summer Waves SkimmerPlus 1500 GPH Pool Pump System. Tired of separate skimmers and pumps? This all-in-one unit combines both functions, keeping your pool water crystal clear and clean with just one device. Designed for convenience and safety, it attaches securely to your pool's sidewall, preventing tripping hazards. Plus, the built-in GFCI ensures safe operation. Keeping your pool pristine is effortless. It sifts out dirt and debris efficiently, and cleaning it is a breeze, making it ready for reuse season after season. This system is designed to fit most above-ground pools with a 1.5-inch circle connection. It even includes a compatible hose for quick and easy installation. Experience reliable water circulation and filtration with its powerful 1500 GPH pump. Enjoy consistently clear pool water all summer long. This efficient system operates at 1,500 gallons per hour, using just 180 watts and 3.1 amps for powerful performance. What we like. This filter pump system offers an efficient dual function, combining a skimmer and a filter pump to keep your pool water clear and clean in one unit. It attaches easily to sidewalls for convenience and features a GFCI safety mechanism. If you have an above-ground pool and are looking for a compact, easy-to-maintain system that effectively schemes debris while providing reliable filtration, this is an ideal choice. What people say. This hose is a perfect fit for my Summer Waves pool pump. The hose is durable and has held up well throughout the summer season. It was easy to connect to the pump and the filter system. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.